differentiate f of x equals x cubed minus 8x plus 2, with the entire trinomial being to the power of 6. To differentiate composite functions like this, we need to use the chain rule. So I'm going to use two basic methods. In method 1, we're going to be using the prime notation. So y prime equals the derivative of the outside function. So the outside function is going to be this entire function here is referred to as the inside function. And this is going to be the outside function. So the derivative of the outside function is going to be 6. Inside function stays the same. To the power of 6 minus 1, which is 5. Then times the derivative of the inside function, which is x cubed minus 8x plus 2 prime. If we evaluate this derivative, we have 6 times x cubed minus 8x plus 2 to the power of 5 times 3x squared minus 8. So that's going to be the derivative of the following function. Method 2 is using Leibniz notation. Which involves more writing, but sometimes when you have very large composite functions, this might be easier, although it involves more writing. So here we're going to let u be defined as the inside function, so x cubed minus 8x plus 2. So that means that y equals the inside function to the power of 6. So in Leibniz notation, what we're going to do here when we're differentiating this, we're going to do dy dx, and applying the chain rule, it will be dy of du times du dx. We can rewrite this as follows, where now we're going to the y is separated out, and we're actually going to replace this later on in the next step with the corresponding function. So for y, it's going to be u to the power of 6 times d over dx of u. Okay, so in the next step here, we're going to substitute in for y, we're going to substitute in u to the power of 6. For u, we're going to substitute in the inside function. So it's going to be derivative of u to the power of 6, that's how y is defined, times d with the derivative of u, which is the inside function. Like that. So now we can go ahead and take the derivatives. So the derivative of u to the power of 6 is 6u5 times, and the derivative of the inside function here is going to be 3x squared minus 8. In the next step, we're going to substitute in or substitute u back in. So we're going to replace the u with the inside function. So this gives us 6 times x cubed minus 8x plus 2 to the power of 5 times 3x squared minus 8. And obviously we get the same answer no matter which method we use.